Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about an interesting concept called as a two-date time. Two-date time is a Pandas function which basically helps you in converting object datetime into an actual datetime format. Usually when we have a data, some date columns comes with object format. It will be in a string format. So we need to convert that into an actual date time, and also once you convert into a date time, it helps you in extracting year, month, day, so that it will be useful for us to perform sorting, filtering, extracting something based on year or month. Okay, that's the reason this two date time plays a very important role in converting a string date column into a actual date and time. Okay, so I'm just loading this data already. I have uploaded sales.csv, importing pandas, pd.read underscore csv will give you the sales data. In this, I'm picking this order date. You can clearly see the order date, right? Very first important thing, I just want to know what is the data type of this order date. Okay, first let's check the data type. So it clearly says that it's an object. Let me just call it data. Can you see? It says that it's an object. So what I'll do, I want to convert this into an actual data format, right? Actual date format. So for that, I'll just call this column and we'll do one thing. We'll create a new date. Okay, I'll just call it like a new date, which is equal to pd dot just use two underscore date time. Okay, and then you just need to pass your date column, which is an order date. Okay, done. So now let me check what is the data type of this. Previously it was object, right? Now if I check B type, so it says like emit ns. That means it's a date time. You can just run that column and you can also check. See, data type is date and time. Okay, so this is how we convert string date columns into a actual date format. So now from this new date, I need to extract in here. You know how to extract in here? Very simple. Just call that column. Just say DT. DT stands for date time. All in here. It just extracts in here, and you can create a new column, data of colon or data dot log colon comma. You can extract in here, which is equal to. Okay, this is how you extract in here. Well, we have extracted here. You want to see? You can just fetch the data. You will be able to see that year column at the end. Similarly, what if you want to extract in month? You just need to use dt dot. Month gives you month number. Okay, similarly, if you want to extract a day, instead of year, you just have to modify it here like a month. Yeah, sorry. So similarly for a day, same code in the place of year, just put a day, dt dot a day. It just creates a day column for you. What if you want the month name? Use the same code. Okay, and in the place of day, you can just give like a month name and here dt dot month underscore name. It was giving month name. Now for month name, you have to use a parenthesis. Okay, similarly for a day name also, you have to use a parenthesis. See, just call same code, just modify day name, and here also you can modify day name. So let me print our data and let me show you now. Can you see? Here actually I did a mistake, so that's the reason. So let me run it again. Okay, overwritten actually. Yes. So you can see the year, month, day, month name, and also day name. So first we converted actual string date into a actual date format, and then we extracted all the components like year, month, day, month name, day name. Whenever you fetch a month name, day name, make sure you use a parenthesis. For year, month, and a day, no parenthesis because it is just extracting numbers. So month name, day name, it's giving our names, right? So we are using parenthesis. This is all about a two underscore date time, which basically helps you in converting your string date column into actual date format, and you can extract the date components in a simple way. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.